If your keyboard's spacebar feels loose, the rubber cap under it may need reattaching. Remove the spacebar carefully with even upward pressure to expose the rubber cap. Inspect the cap. Look for tears, deformation, or trapped debris. Replace if damaged. Test fit the cap on the stabilizer to confirm alignment and free movement. Recommended adhesives: low modulus silicone, rubber-safe RTV, or removable adhesive putty. Low modulus silicone stays flexible and bonds rubber without making it brittle. Rubber-safe RTV creates durable, elastic seals. Allow full cure per instructions. Adhesive putty offers a non-permanent hold for testing or temporary repairs. Avoid superglue, CA adhesives, and harsh solvents. They can dissolve or harden rubber. Safety first. Use gloves, ventilate the area, and follow product safety data sheets. Apply thin, precise beads, press gently, clean excess, then test key travel after cure. Before and after, confirm stable, smooth spacebar action. If unsure, seek professional help.